Okay, well, you can go.
Good morning, students. Same topic, laws of exponent for real number. Today I again start the same topic. Yesterday we discussed so many questions related to the laws of exponents for real number. Today I am taking some more questions. Evaluate evaluate 4 subroot 12 multiply 7 subroot 6. Okay. And yesterday, the last law says that n subroot a, it means a raised to the power 1 upon n. It is equal to n subroot a, it means you can write like this, a raised to the power 1 upon n. Then how you will write this? How you will evaluate the value of 4 subroot 12 multiply 7 subroot 6? Then factorize the, take the prime factorization of 12. 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. You can write like this. You can write like this. So 7 subroot of 6, it means you can write like this. 6 raised to the power 1 by 7. Either you will take the prime factorization of 6, you can write like this, 2 into 3. Now 1 by 1, we expand it, 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 4. And 7 subroot है 2 and 3 का. So you can write like this, 2 raised to the power 3 1 by 7 and 3 raised to the power 1 upon 7. Okay. Now when the base are equal, these bases are equal and this base is also equal. So when the base are equal, here the multiply sign is given, then the powers are added into 3 raised to the power 1 upon 7. Okay. Now how you will write this? ये यहाँ पर 3 है, 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. 2 raised to the power 1 upon 3, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. ये मैंने प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन यहाँ 12 के बनाए थे और ये 3 सब रूट है 1 by 4, ये पावर जो हो जाएगी 1 by 4. Now multiply 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 plus 1 by 7. Here the basis is also equal, base is 3, so powers are added together. Now take the LCM. LCM is 28, 4 7 are 28 and 7 4 are 28. Okay, and take the LCM this one also. So it is equal to 7 plus 7, 14 plus 4, 18. 18 by 28 into 11 by 28. Okay. Now how you can write this? Two 9 ja 18, 2 14 ja 28. And this is not cancelled. So 2 raised to the power 9 by 14 into 3 raised to the power 11 by 28. Again, if you write like this, so then how you can write this? 14 subroot है 2 raised to the power 9 into 28 subroot है 3 raised to the power 11. You can write like this. Okay. Then this is the answer of this question. Okay. Again, I am repeating this question. 4 subroot 12 into 7 subroot 6. Subroot A, this is the last law of the exponent. You can write like this: A raised to the power 1 upon n. So 4 subroot, मैंने इसको prime factorization, I have taken the prime factorization of 12. 2 into 2 into 3. You can write like this: 2 raised to the power 1 by 4. 2 raised to the power 1 by 4 and 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4. And again expand this: 2 raised to the power 1 by 7 and 3 raised to the power 1 upon 7. Now the base are equal and it is multiplied together, so the powers are added, and take the LCM. These power are also added because base are same. Now this is equal to 9 upon 14 into 3 raised to the power 11 upon 28. Okay. Next question is, just a minute. डस्टर देना 1 मिनट. Our next question, one more question I am taking again. Simplify m square n square into 6 subroot m square n square into 7 subroot m square n square. Okay, here the subroot is given 6 and 7, and in between the root m square n square, all the digits are on the variables are, all the variables are same. So how you can write this? N subroot a, it is equal to a raised to the power 1 upon n. Then how you can write this? Here subroot is not given, so you can write like this: 1 upon 2. When you are removing the root, then the power become half. Now this is equivalent to 1 by 6. And the next one is multiply m square n square, power become 1 upon 7. Okay, when you remove the subroot, it become the 1 upon 7. Now the bases are equal. Then the powers are added together: 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 7. You take the LCM, 2, 6 and 12. You take the LCM. What is the LCM of 2, 6 and 7? Take the LCM. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, and again 7 3 ja 21, 2 ja 42. Okay, 42.
Rajni ma'am, go ahead.
Yes,
but,
student.
Explain this
Okay.
From starting.
Yes, I am explaining again this question. Yes, students, I will explain this again question. Root m square n square into 6 subroot m square n square into 7 subroot m square n square. Now 6 subroot, when you remove this 6 subroot, it become 1 upon 6, and base remains the same, but the power become the 1 upon 7. Now the base is equal in all the 3 numbers, and multiply is given, so the powers are added together. You will take the LCM, 2, 6 and 7. You will take the LCM, 2, 6 and 7. It is equal to 42. Then divide with the denominator and multiply with the numerator. Then it become m square n square, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 6, 34, divided by 42. You cancel this. M square n square, power becomes 17 upon 21. Then how you can write this? How you can write this? Um, 21 subroot and m square n square power 17. You can write like this also and this one also. You can write like this one also. M square n square power become 70. Okay. And this is the solution of this question. Again, I am repeating. Here the root is given only. Subroot is not given. So when you are removing the square root, it become half. This is 1 by 6. This is 1 by 7. Base are equal. Then the powers are added. Take the LCM. And at the last, how you can write this? This is 1 by 21. 21 is the subroot. And we will take the power of m square n square. Power become 17. Okay. And the next question is, if 125 raised to the power x equal to 25 upon 5 raised to the power x, then find the value of x. Find the value of x. How you will find the value of x in this question? 125, take the prime factorization of 125 first. 5 raised to the power 3. 5 raised to the power 3. And the power is given x. And 25 is 5 raised to the power 2. Or denominator में given है 5 raised to the power x. Now it becomes 5 raised to the power 3x. Here the base are same and it is given 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 5 raised to the power x. And when a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n given ho, so you can write like this, m minus n, the power is subtracted. So now the base are equal, then the power are also equal. This is also the rule. So minus x transpose on the left hand side, it become 3x plus x equal to 2. Then 4x equal to 2. Then the value of x equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. The answer is 1 upon 2. How you can write like this? I am repeating again. First take the prime factorization of 125. This is 5 raised to the power 3 and power is given x. And 25 5 raised to the power 2 or power is given 5 raised to the power x. Now 3 multiplied by x, it is equal to 3x. And a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, it become m minus n. So 2 minus x. Now the base are equal, power are also equal. Minus x comes on the left hand side, it become positive. So 4x equal to 2. Then x value of x is 2 upon 4. It is equal to the value of x equal to 1 upon 2. You can note down these questions in your notebook. And try to solve these questions again. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. The question is given, if 6 upon 5 raised to the power x into 5 upon 6 raised to the power 3x equal to, here it is given 2x and equal to 125 upon 216. This is given in the denominator. Okay. So how you will solve this question? When you will take the prime factorization of 125, it is equal to 5 raised to the power 3. And when you will take the prime factorization of 216, it is equal to 6 raised to the power 3. So you can write like this, 5 upon 6 raised to the power 3. And this is already given, 5 upon 6 raised to the power 2x. Now here in this question, here it is given 6 upon 5 raised to the power x. When you will take the reciprocal of this number, the power become negative. I already told you yesterday the law a upon b raised to the power minus x, it become b upon a raised to the power x. It become, when the power become positive, we will take the reciprocal of the base. Now I apply this rule here. We will take the reciprocal of 6 upon 5, it become 5 upon 6 and the power become minus x. Then how you will solve this question now? Here all the bases are equal, but here on the left hand side multiply sign is given. Then you will add the power. The powers will be added and 5 upon 6 raised to the power 3. Subtract 2x, subtract x from 2x. It become 5 upon x raised to the power x equal to 5 upon 6 raised to the power 3. Now the again base are equal, the power are also equal. Then the value of x equal to 3. Again, I am repeat this question. Here 125 upon 216, it is equal to 5 upon 6 raised to the power 3. And it is given 5 upon 6, already it is given. But this is given 6 upon 5. So I apply this rule, law of exponent. I use this exponent rule, a upon b raised to the power minus x. It become, when the power become positive, we take the reciprocal of the base. So I have taken the reciprocal of the base and the power become negative. Okay, here the positive is given. So I do the power in the negative form. So now the base are equal. First here the multiply sign is given. Which rule is applied? A raised to the power n into a raised to the power m. It is equal to a raised to the power n plus m. So we add these two numbers, add these two powers, minus x plus 2x, it is equal to x. Now the base are equal, the power is also equal. Okay. When the question is given in this form, evaluate 2 raised to the power 40 plus 2 raised to the power 39 plus 2 raised to the power 38. Okay, and denominator is given 2 raised to the power 41 plus 2 raised to the power 40 minus 2 raised to the power 39. Okay, तो how you will solve this question? तो ऐसे नहीं हम करेंगे कि 2 को हम 40 times लिखेंगे. We can't solve this type of question. So how we can solve this question? We will take the raised to the power 40, 2 raised to the power 39, 2 raised to the power 38. We will take common 2 raised to the power 38. I have taken 2 raised to the power 38 common. So here it left 40 minus 38, 2 raised to the power 2 left, and 38 I have taken the common power, so 2 raised to the power 1 and 2 raised to the power 38. Here 1 is left. So in the denominator, what we will take common? 2 raised to the power 39. Then 2 raised to the power 2 plus 2 raised to the power 1 is left. Subtract 39 from 40. It become 2 raised to the power 1 and 2 raised to the power 39 is common. So 1 is left. 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2, it is equal to 4. 2 raised to the power 1, it is equal to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 39. upon 2 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 39, 38, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. And 2 raised to the power 39 into 4 plus 2, 6, subtract kiya 1, 7 upon 5. So how we will solve this question now? 2 raised to the power 38, 39 when comes on the numerator, then the power become minus and into 7 upon 5. So it is 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 7 upon 5. Then how you can write 2 raised to the power minus 1? You can write like this, 1 upon 2 into 7 upon 5. It is equal to 7 upon 10. Your answer is 7 upon 10. I am repeating this question again. How you will solve this question? You cannot write 2 raised to the power 40 times. 2 raised to the power 39. 39 times you can't write. So we will take common. 2 raised to the power 38. We take it common. And here it is left 40 minus 38, 2 raised to the power 2. And 39 minus 38, 2 raised to the power 1. And 2 raised to the power 38. I have taken common, so 1 is left. Okay. Now in the denominator, 2 raised to the power 39 is common. So 41 minus 39, 2 raised to the power 2 plus 40 minus 39, 2 raised to the power 1 is common, minus 2 raised to the power 39 is common, so 1 is left. So when we solve this, 39 here become minus 39. So minus 39 plus 38, 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 7 upon 5. So 1 upon 2 into 7 upon 5, it is equal to 7 upon 10. When these type of questions are given, prove that xa square upon xb square, and the power is again given 1 upon a plus b, and second time xb square upon xc square. Xc square, and here it is given 1 upon b plus c, and the next is xc square upon xa square, and the power is given 1 upon c plus a. How you will solve this question? And it is equal to 1 is also given on the right hand side. Then how you will prove this? You have to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. Then how you will solve this? When this x b square, power base is same, so power are subtracted into 1 upon a plus b, and this is base are same, the power are subtracted, 1 upon b plus c. Now again the base are same, the power are subtracted, and